Motorola is making a bold move, bringing Android 17 beta to more devices than ever before. This expansion gives more users early access to the next generation of Android. For the first time, a wider range of Motorola devices can now test new features before the official release. Expect faster performance, smoother animations, and a more responsive system overall. Battery efficiency is also getting a boost, helping your device last longer throughout the day. Android 17 introduces enhanced privacy controls, giving you more power over your data. Motorola continues to focus on a clean, near-stock Android experience. But remember, this is beta software. It may include bugs, glitches, or unfinished features. Still, users can help shape the final release by providing real-world feedback. This move signals a shift. Motorola is working to deliver faster and more reliable updates. In a competitive Android market, update speed is becoming more important than ever. So should you try it? If you love testing new tech, the beta is worth exploring. But if you rely on stability, waiting for the final version might be the better choice. Stay tuned for more and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.